So we're done with the bowl. Now I've got to change a tool to a 1/8" ball nose, and in here is where those little designs are going to go. All right, so we're back with this stupid project. I'm going to do everything I can prior to calling these people and telling them that I obliterated their sacred piece of oak. Anyway, what I did is I ran it through the planer to get rid of all the errors that existed on top. And I lost 3/16 of an inch in the depth of the bowl, which I don't think is going to be a big deal. And the problem that I was thinking about is, how am I going to, because I use a center for my datum, how am I going to get that back? Well, I've got a bunch of this crappy Lawan, and I cut a piece exactly 10 by 10. So what I'm going to do is tape this down so it's nice and snug, and I'll put my mark on the board, this Lawan, and I'll re-zero to the mark on top of this board. Then, to get my Z0, I'll just slide the board over to here, kind of like I did with that piece of maple when I did the bottom, and I'll zero to the bottom of this board, and all should be well in Shangri-La. So I have to rewrite the code because I'm going to omit this, of course, and I'm just going to have that circle that was here and the little ornate pieces. So yeah, rewrite the code, be back. All right, so here we are for take 2. So at least running it through the planer paid off, because now we have a consistent depth on this ring. Finally, I think we're going to be okay. And I will show you the finished product when it's cleaned up and stained. Well, polyurethane. So hang tight, we'll be right back. All right, so we're finally done. And this is gonna work. A little bit of cleanup, brush this ornate pieces off, and clean up this bevel just a little bit with some sand, and I think we're gonna be good to go. All right, guys, the final part of this video, July 10th, 2026, Friday. So with a bit of tenacity, I was able to make this work, and I'm not completely satisfied with the way it turned out. I did take a picture and sent it to my client, and they were ecstatic. Apparently, what they're going to do, and for some of my past projects, I have about the same size. They're going to put a pot here, a pot here, a pot here, and a pot there. So, yeah. A little tenacity, as I said, and it's got the first coat of polyurethane on it. The chamfer actually worked out. I did readjust that in the Vectric software. I didn't have it plunging deep enough for the depth of cut. Oh, and while I was waiting for this first coat to dry, I finally cut in my X-axis alignment lines. You guys enjoy your day, and we'll talk soon. Take care now.